Hi everybody, we're back. I know we haven't done a video in a very, very long time. We have decided that we can't do another cooking video because our kitchen is not organized.
Let me clarify. I have decided that I can no longer take the disorganization in this kitchen. That is a direct result of we have too many things that are inaccessible. If you watched any of these videos, you've heard Jayne mention her magic drawers that are down here. So what she's talking about is these two big, giant drawers we have under the peninsula, which theoretically are convenient for us to use. But my wife has filled them with nonsense and garbage. And today, before we organize in here, I just want to show you a little taste of what's in these drawers and what is bugging me so much. We've got napkins, right? This is not a bad item to have in your drawer, no problem. Mason jars that have lights in them.
Well, see, these are really pretty. When we have guests over, I like that I can light them up. Look how nice that is. It's nice, you have a little ambiance when you have people over.
Okay. All right. So we've got some folded up placemats, which
that are so old that they should be clean.
I know, but we use them every night. It's okay. All right, those are not bad. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, okay. So we have a cardboard messy mutts. I don't know what messy mutts.
Well, this is my
but it's empty.
In one of my videos, I made some these like chocolate bone things. And that's the instructions, like, can you wash it? Can you put it in the microwave dishwasher? Right. Just in case I forget.
So this is convenient to have. I mean, what is a kitchen drawer without some used bubble wrap that came from some
that
kind of
I keep
delivery?
because sometimes I take something from our store and I photograph it here and when I take it back, sometimes I like to wrap it in bubble.
We can all agree this is a perfect spot for it, the drawer that we need to use every day. What else do we have? All right, so we've got another packaging.
That sometimes I put food in when when my stepdaughters come over and I have something to send them back with. If I don't have like a plastic bag, I use that.
Okay, we've got another one of these things.
Let me show what that's for. Hold on. Sometimes I take my tablet to work.
This is her janky tablet case. This is what this goes in. But, you know, good spot. We've got a savory magazine.
We make a lot of recipes. That my mother-in-law is so gracious to send.
Oh, this is convenient to have. We've got a bag.
That's sometimes for wine.
Some sort of sack.
But sometimes we have wine to transport.
We've got a wine transportation bag. We've got a metal trivet, a ceramic trivet cutting board type of thing.
Well, we put cheese on it.
We've got another cutting board surface that we very rarely able to use because it's buried under all of this. I mean, obviously, we've got a legal pad.
We need that to write notes on, especially if we're doing a script.
Some kind of schematic of some sort for
I don't know, is
some
in there.
kind of plan that we were going to have. Another little
that's a plastic thing for like
bag
food
of
or
some
wine
sort.
or whatever.
Here we go, another magazine with recipes. This is from my mom. It says for Jayne. She's marked off some recipes that we would like. Oh, this is the September-October 2022 Your Place to Connect Riverhead Free Library Town Guide. Gotta have that in the drawer. Oh, it's a Father's Day card from my daughter's boyfriend Danny to me.
See, I say that's
lovingly inscripted from Danny. We've got an envelope addressed to Jayne, but nothing in it. Okay. What is a drawer without that? Oh, look, a random piece of cardboard.
That's for the wine stuff.
Mm-hmm. Oh, a Bed Bath & Beyond.
It's probably expired.
Circular.
I mean, you could just grab all the cards. There's a lot of cards in there.
All right, another piece of cardboard. Another piece of graph paper with some stuff.
I don't know what that. I think that was here when we moved in.
This.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, this is the thing from my popover.
This is the Keurig handbook to the Keurig we no longer own. a electric skillet pamphlet, which we very rarely use. Oh look, another wine bag.
We drink a lot of wine.
This is not the same wine bag I pulled out earlier. It's a new one. A whatever this is, another Keurig thing. More magazines.
Your mother sent me a lot. Look, they have all little notes from my mother-in-law.
More graph paper.
That's paper to write on. That's
More
important.
cards. 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 Cards and cards. More magazines. Another cheese board.
Well, we have a lot of cheese when people come over.
Operation, user manuals to all sorts of appliances. A receipt from Supreme Clean. They cleaned my gutters, $425. Fuel oil bill. Oh, a credit card. It's got my name on it. I don't know how it's got in there. Paperwork from the IRS.
Wait, who's it addressed to?
Probably me. And a suction cup.
What is this?
And a gasket of some sort for something. So this is what was in the top drawer. Now we're gonna look in drawer number 2. I know this must be very boring for most of you, but for me, these drawers have been sticking in my craw for months. It's so. And then,
this is what's sticking in your craw?
And then she has the nerve to complain to me. She goes, "We have too much stuff. I'm gonna get rid. We got too many utensils."
No, we do.
Look at what's taking up
No.
all the space.
But we have in this drawer, it's like, how many spoons? How many? How many? How many? I mean, come on, people.
That drawer's not a problem. You know what's a problem? These drawers. Ready for drawer number 2? We've got a wee-wee pad. We've got another
That's
wee-wee,
in case.
another wee-wee pad. We've got the, I think, 4th placemat. So the ones to match for the set of those. We've got another cutting board.
With paws.
of a
I use
fork.
that for videos.
But I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. It doesn't even sit flat because it's all warped. Look. So that's useless. I mean, what would any kitchen drawer be without another bag to carry wine? I mean, you gotta carry wine. I mean, you don't have bags anyplace else.
Wait, stop a second. I'm gonna put some B-roll here of all the wine we have and why I saved these wine bags. You will see all the liquor going down my basement stairs and why I have it. And that doesn't even include what's in the liquor cabinet. So, those come in handy.
Empty shopping bag.
Well, I use those if I go.
Empty shopping bag.
Those are for food for work, like when I bring food in. Aprons.
Apron.
Well, apron is good to have in there. Rags we need. These are all things we use. I use these.
Guess what these are? More cards.
Cheesecloth.
The one item that is actually probably should be in these drawers, cheesecloth. Another placemat.
Well, I can't help it. You bought 8.
Why should they be together?
Whenever we need something, instead of buying like the normal amount, my husband will get like a trillion of them. Oh, that's for the Keurig.
That we no longer have. Let's see what this is. Oh, yeah, light bulbs. Got 2 light bulbs.
I didn't put them in there.
Buried in there. You never
I
know.
didn't put them in there.
Another mystery gasket. Unknown. I mean, halogen light bulb for fixtures we don't have.
Wait a second. He told me one of those lights blew out in the stove.
She's right.
He told me save this so I could take it to the store and match it up.
She's right. She's right.
You hear it? I got it on video.
Another rag. Old cabinet drawer connectors.
Well, you put them in there, not me. That I use, the coffee grinder.
We have a coffee grinder. Some piece of plastic. Literally no idea what these things are. Let's see what's in here. What is this?
I don't know.
And we have also whatever that is. So,
What is that?
I don't know. An Allen wrench. So, this is what has been cluttering up the 2 most important drawers that we would be using every single day, with stuff that we use every single day, filled with stuff besides the napkins and the placemats that we don't use every single day. And then to get things like we bought We have a beautiful new set of glass bowls that Jayne wanted for filming and stuff. You know where those bowls are? They're not in the kitchen. They're around the corner in the laundry area because there's no room here in the kitchen for that. We can't fit it
Sammy's telling
anywhere.
me not to yell at me anymore.
I have to go up here to get my gigantic, heavy, imitation La Crusette pot. This one that I love to use, but it's so heavy. And
You can't put that in that drawer.
No, but I can put it in there when I move the Tupperware from there into here. So, anyway.
All right. So now that we're on Jayne for probably 20 minutes, 15 minutes.
She's the best.
Yeah. So now I guess we're gonna show you how we're gonna organize this area.
Go in here. All right, so now the drawers have been organized with things that we use every day that we need. And now I've emptied out the Lazy Susan corner here, which I can now utilize for more pots and pans that I use more often. And take them down from the hard to reach places, put them into here, and then in the hard to reach places, we could put the things that we never use, like these multitude of mini cutting boards and some other things that she has.
She has.
She has.
Okay.
That's next.
What are you doing?
I don't know yet. This is a on the fly work in progress. Can you bring this over here and get an inside shot of what I'm working with here?
Yeah, I have it on the stand.
Okay, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that disaster. How do you get anything out of that cabinet?
I don't, because that's not anything I use.
Exactly. We got stuff.
Because I can't reach it. I'm 5'2". Only people who are 5'8" or 5'9" can reach
We
that.
got nice serving bowls that we can't
Oh,
access.
we've used those. Stop lying.
Who on earth bought this stupid thing?
Not me. Yes, of course. Well, who makes that much pasta or something or whatever?
It was when we made the ricotta cheese. I needed it to strain
Oh.
the cheese. I gotta get into this now because we got stuff up here that is just like, I mean, I know this is an outdoor utensil holder set for the outside that we never eat in.
Yeah.
That's my fault. It's my fault.
Folks, we have this beautiful outdoor area and we had not had one party, but thank God Amanda, our manager at Southold store, at least had her son's birthday party here, or there'd be 0 parties.
This is what I'm dealing with. I'm in the middle of a project and
Well, because Sammy's crying.
we gotta
You gonna go
stop
outside?
and
Maybe
see.
she's gotta go check. Come on, she's got the baby.
Big platters. This is a good spot for big platters. I know this was, I think, her mom's, so this has got sentimental value, but I don't even think she even knew it was here.
What is that? Yeah, I do know it was there. I'm saving that. That's Corningware. That's worth money.
I don't think this is Corningware.
Hold that
Oh,
closer to your chest.
It is Corningware.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what's nice about this set? What's really good about this is that this box is completely empty. All right, so this is all serving stuff. Big, when we have parties,
Okay.
we can get
so
stuff
I'm gonna
from in
show
there.
the folks.
This cabinet I don't hate as much. It's got things that we don't use that often. My heavy cast iron skillets are up here, that electric.
What is that green thing? Green, like that grill? What is it?
Oh, it's a Christmas tree.
That should be with the other.
No, it should be downstairs with the Christmas stuff because you're never going to use it.
No, but sometimes I need extra ones.
All right, so they can stay up here. These can stay up
yeah,
here.
let's put it where the girl who's 5'2" when it's like 9 feet up in the air. Okay.
You see what I'm doing? Do you see what I'm standing on? I am on a chair, standing and getting stuff, which you could easily do as well. Because there's no reason to put these.
I don't think I could get even up there if I wanted to,
You
even
could.
with the
You
tree.
easily could.
Okay.
All right, stop being nonsense.
Oh, what is all that?
Oh, yeah,
I didn't even know that was there.
See?
No, but my point is, we have a gazillion plates.
But these are all plastic for outside. These are melon.
So that should go in that cabinet where all the other outdoor
No,
stuff
it's
is.
gonna go in this cabinet, buried in the back here until we need it because we don't use
Buried
it.
in the back so we don't even know we have it.
Well, we don't use it that often. And there's nothing really else I need to stick in this cabinet that we have to get to right away. She's grinding coffee. Every day she grinds beans up. She did it one week. That was the last of the coffee grinding that took place in this house.
Just for that, I'm gonna get some coffee beans. If anybody wants to send me some, just to stick it to him, you could send it to Nicolette's for the Home, P.O. Box.
Someone wants to send me a couple of $100 bills just to stick it to Jayne, you could send them to them.
No, address will be in the description box below. I'm serious, folks. Send me some ground coffee.
Help me stick it to my husband. This is the foundation of a healthy relationship. How we can stick it to each
This is
other.
the foundation of. But you know what? The best thing is you still get married.
All right, these are the things we use most often, so I put them in this drawer, easy to get to. The silver bowls, the glass bowls, the trivets, the napkins, and the placemats. Underneath, Tupperware, my colanders, and our dish rags our colanders, and the dish rags that get disgusting, but Jayne insists on using. In here, we've got serving bowls. We've got our 2 most used baking pans, casserole dishes, plus the little ones that we use, and our measuring cup. And then on the bottom shelf, we've got the 2 big cast iron casserole, the Dutch oven rather, and basically the skillet. And then Jayne's got her meatloaf pan, and this is the pan she makes Sammy's meat into. So that's down in here because I took it out of where it was in here so I could make room for my cutting board that I'd like to use instead of it being inaccessible. So now that's in here along with her other various baking pans. This cabinet stayed primarily the same. It just has our cast iron and our other nonsense in it, but we do have like a little more space that we can fill with some other kind of thing.
More things that we don't need.
And then this one, that was a mess. This is only for entertaining items. Serving platters, serving trays, baskets, our outdoor utensil set. So that takes care of that one. I feel a sense of serenity cascading over my entire body because we're a little more organized than we were just a few hours ago. So, hope you enjoyed that OCD operation that went on in here.
All right.
Signing off. Till we meet again, and we'll be doing this again.
I hope you like this a different video. Let us know in the comments below. Bye. Turn the heat off. They can't see it. You have to hold it up.
I think I already have placemats.
No, but when we do it, you have to go like placemats. See what I'm saying?
We've got placemats. You know, all those blue plates, they should go here, and the ice bucket and the gravy boats should go there. That's a job for another day. I'm too tired to do it today.